Greetings, friends. We are going to take you to a part of the Evergreen Cemetery, Ivy Chapel, that a lot of people don't get to see. This is a rare visit below ground to the working core of the chapel. Here, the archives room. Here, the historic crematory. No longer functioning because a modern crematory has replaced it, but these are H.E. Brett of Los Angeles's custom Sunset mortuary furnace and his wee little Sunset Junior with patent to be applied for. And as to whether these babies still work, well, you can still give them a little bit of air if you need to. You still have, this one doesn't rotate, I guess because it's the Junior. Everything that you need, though, to cremate Angelinos was right here in the basement of the Ivy Chapel. And when they were busy, they were very, very busy indeed, working entirely with Los Angeles-made custom mortuary equipment, courtesy of Mr. Brett of the Lincoln Heights area. So just a little bit of old Los Angeles mortuary history here below ground in the old Ivy Chapel. And we're grateful for the opportunity to do this work, to do this research, and to explore some of the old parts of the cemetery, which continue to have a lot of historical value, but are not really part of the working daily cemetery activity. Over and out.